For Easter, I really like to decorate with bunnies. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some really easy crafts that you can do to decorate your home on a budget. Hello everyone, my name is Jazz. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you like home decor, DIYs, and projects on a budget, make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit that bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. And guys, in today's video, I want to share with you some really easy projects that you can do using Dollar Tree items or maybe things that you have in your home and that are really beautiful to decorate your home for Easter and have a really high-end look. I really hope that you like and enjoy today's video, and if you do, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. I'm going to be reading all of your comments. And guys, make sure that you follow me on all my social media pages as well as my webpage JAZOMY.com and my Instagram. Guys, I have been posting so much over there, so many photos, reels, stories about my lives and DIYs and things that I just do in my daily life. If you want to know me a little bit better, make sure that you click in the description box the link of my Instagram. It's DIY by Jazz, so hope to see you there. And yeah guys, let's get started. Let's DIY together. For this project, I'm going to be using these bamboo wreaths from Dollar Tree. One is bigger than the other one, so you may want to try to find those in different sizes. Now what I'm going to be doing is to put these two wreaths together. I'm just going to put them together by a piece of twine, or you can add hot glue to make it stronger. Now you're going to need another of these bamboo wreaths, the bigger size, and I'm gonna try to cut these in half to make the ears of our bunny. Once I cut these in two parts, I'm going to start working on one ear, and I'm gonna put the bottom part together as best as I can. I'm going to use a piece of twine. You can also reinforce that with some glue, but definitely you have to try to stick these together with a piece of twine first. Once the two ears are ready, I'm gonna put that on the top of the smaller wreath. And again, you can use maybe hot glue or a stronger glue, but just to make it faster and stable at first, you have to put everything together with twine. Once the shape of our bunny is ready, let's try to decorate this and make it look cute. You can do it in so many ways. You can use flowers, greenery. You have so many options. I decided to use these cotton stems that I have from Dollar Tree. I just have so many at home that I decided to do it. I think it matched really good with our bunny. So I'm going to be cutting all of the cotton balls from our stem, and I'm going to start sticking all of them around the body of our bunny with hot glue. I really like these cotton balls from Dollar Tree, but if you don't find them, you can also use flowers or greenery. The next step is going to be using some greenery just to add some color to our bunny, to make the green pop out a little bit on our bunny, and it also is going to cover all of those empty spaces between the cotton balls. Okay, once we are done with that part, you can leave like that if you want, or you can make it cuter by making a bow. You can use a Dollar Tree ribbon, super easy, and I'm going to stick that with hot glue on like the neck of our bunny. Once I was done with that part, this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. I think it's one of my favorite projects. My kids love it too, and I think it just looks so cute. It was using Dollar Tree items, it was on a budget, and I think it's perfect now for Easter. For the next project, I'm going to be using these like tag signs that you can get at Dollar Tree. I got these from the Valentine's section. I didn't use it for Valentine's, but I think that now they can work perfect for spring or Easter. So first, what I'm going to be doing is to remove like all of the design that it has. It came out super easy, and I want to replace that with some kind of texture or pattern. So I'm going to be using this scrapbook paper that I have. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to trace the shape, then I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to stick that on my signs with hot glue. Okay, once I have that part ready, I'm going to work with what I want to my signs have. I'm going to be using these two wooden pieces from Dollar Tree. I think they're super cute. You can do so many DIYs with this. And what I'm going to be doing is super simple. I'm just going to paint the top part, not the edges, only like the top part of these wooden pieces in this blue tone, and then I'm going to dry everything with my heat tool. That works amazing. I think that I use these in every single project when I'm painting, and you can check the link in the description box of this video. Now I'm going to be sticking these two wooden pieces, one on each one of the signs that I have, with hot glue. Okay, now it's time. Now if you want these signs to hang, I'm going to be using some nautical rope, and I'm going to add some hot glue, and I'm going to stick the nautical rope in these two signs. If you want to add a nice and small touch where the nautical ropes ends, you can stick maybe a flower, or you can use some greenery like I did. Once I was done, this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. I think it looks super cute. You can hang these from a mantle, a ladder, a shelf, and it's going to look super cute, and you can change the color of your wooden pieces to make it match with your home decor. For this next project, I want to work with this super big and giant wreath that I have, that I really like, and that I always use for my front door. It's super big, so it's perfect for that space. I want to add this cute bunny that you can get now from Dollar Tree, and it's so cute. It's like a wooden whitewash piece, something like that. I think it's so beautiful. I'm just going to hang that, and then on the wreath I'm going to add some greenery on each side. In between the greenery, I'm going to add a bow that I already made with some ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then just to make the greenery and my wreath pop out a little bit better, I'm going to be using some flowers, and I'm going to add a few here and there. Now I want to add a small touch of raffia, so I'm going to be making like a bow with the raffia. Super easy. I'm going to tie everything with twine, and then on the center of the bow I'm going to add this cute pink flower that is going to also pop out between the sunflowers and the greenery and the ribbon, and then I'm going to add that with a piece of twine on the top of the other bow that I already made. You can leave your bunny like it is, or you maybe can add a small bow with a piece of twine and maybe add some flowers, and that's it. This is how this wreath turned out. Perfect for Easter, and it's going to look super cool for spring too. I just have to remove the bunny for maybe something else, and it's going to work out fine. This next project is extremely easy. You're going to need one of these wooden bunnies from Dollar Tree. You can do so many DIY projects with this. I'm just going to first cover the hole. You can use spot clean. I like to use hot glue, and then I just remove the excess of hot glue with a knife. Now I'm going to be painting my bunny. You can use any color. You maybe can use a stain. I decided to use this blue because I want to add some blue touches on my home, and I think it's going to work perfect. So I'm going to paint the whole bunny except for the ears. Now for the ears, I'm going to use some white paint, and I'm going to paint that small part that this wooden bunny has, and then I'm going to let it dry. For the tail, which is my favorite part, I'm going to be using like this fluffy tail that you can get at Dollar Tree. It's so cute. You can add some hot glue and stick that on the tail, and it's going to make these really cute. I add this sign on this play rack that I have, and it just works so beautiful, and it adds that pop of blue that I was looking for on this space. For this next project, I'm going to be reusing this wooden frame that I already made like a year ago. You can use some wood from Dollar Tree, and you can also create your own frame, or maybe you can use a canvas from Five Below. That is going to work too, and it's going to have this high-end look. Now I'm going to be working on the background. You can use a cardboard from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to trace and then cut the exact size of cardboard that I need for this frame. Next, you can draw something, you can print something from Google, from the internet, or you can use your Cricut machine. I'm going to be using mine to make this super cute bunny in black. As you can see, it's so easy. You can draw these. I just have my Cricut machine and I use it. Or guys, you maybe can use a wooden piece from Dollar Tree and paint it black, and then just add that onto your cardboard. I just think about that right now, and I think it's a great idea. I just stick my bunny, and then I'm going to use my stapler to staple the cardboard on my wooden frame. As you can see on this frame, it's like this very empty space, and I want to cover that or make it like look prettier using some greenery. I have this garland at home, so I'm going to stick that with my stapler, and it's going to make this frame super cool and unique. And this is how this project turned out. I hope that you like it. Like I said, you can use your Cricut machine, or you can use a wooden bunny from Dollar Tree painted black, and you can create something super similar. I just hope that you can get ideas and inspired by this video and these DIYs. And if you like them, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Let me know of these 5 ideas, which one is your favorite, in the comments down below. And make sure that you're subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, JAZOMY.com, and also guys, my Instagram. I have been posting so many reels. You can see some decorations on my home, in my like daily life. So I hope to see you there. Send me a message and say hi. So yeah, thank you so much for the love and support, and see you on my next video, guys. Mwah. Bye.